First off, gather 1 cup of fresh green beans. These should be trimmed and cut into 1-inch pieces. Next, you'll need a 15-ounce can of kidney beans and a similar can of black-eyed peas. Drain and rinse these well. Also, prepare half a cup of finely chopped red onion and a 1/4 cup of fresh chopped parsley. Now, the beans. If using fresh green beans, blanch them in boiling water for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're just tender. Drain these quickly and immediately plunge them into ice water to stop the cooking process. After they've cooled, drain them again. In a large mixing bowl, combine the blanched green beans, kidney beans, black-eyed peas, red onion, and chopped parsley. Time to prepare the dressing that will tie all these flavors together. In a small bowl, whisk together a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir until well combined. Pour this homemade dressing over the bean mixture and toss gently to coat everything evenly. Cover and refrigerate the salad for at least 2 hours, ideally overnight, to allow the flavors to meld. Before serving, stir the salad well, adjusting seasoning if necessary. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.